Hello, this video is to show how to retarget the 9Cg character animation to Synty character animation using Retarget Pro-Humanoid. So, a user has provided me with his clear project with animation imported, Synty imported, 9Cg animation imported. And now I will start from review his profile to see what's going wrong or uh, what's caused the issue that he got the wrong retarget animation. Generally, for animation, you have to create a rig file, that's krig file for your character, for your source character, and a krig file for your target character. Now let's check the 9Cg rig file. So he has set up something, so we need to check one by one to ensure its name corresponds to its actual needed bone hierarchy. So for pelvis, we will select the pelvis, so that's correct. For the right leg, let's see what's in the 9Cg. The twist is not needed. Sorry. So let me revert it back. The twist is not needed at all. So that's it. The foot is needed. So okay. So for the right leg, that's the side calf, the foot. For the left leg, let me see. Okay, for the left leg, we can do the same thing. Side calf, foot. Okay. For the spine, we will see how many spine do we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a lot. I did not even can say it has so many spine in 9Cg. So what's in our cases? 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips, spine, roots, hips. 1, 2, 3. We have only 1, 2, 3, and for 9Cg. Why it has so many spines? It's too much detailed. 5. Okay. The spearman has issue. No. It's pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that's a lot. I may believe the spine has some issue when we targeting because they have totally different number of bones here. Let me check what exists in my 9Cg asset. So unity, here, let me see, asset packs, animation, this model. Okay, this is my 9Cg. Let me see. That you have to ask 9Cg to change the bone hierarchy first. So that's a lot. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is clear. 1, 2, 3. Why it has five bones? Can you ask 9Cg to change? It's too detailed. I'm not sure this will work fine when working on retargeting. But anyway, let's have a try, okay? The rig file, where's the rig file? Rig file 9Cg, it has 1, 2, 3 element strengths. 1, 2, 3, 5. Oh, okay, let's assume it will work with the animation. So the neck, okay, the neck, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, neck. was in the here, was in the Synty snack 1, 2. So absolutely we do not need 3 in 9Cg. So this is 1, 2. Why nice one has so many points? That actually will not work fine here. Oh my god. I believe you should update the 9Cg character first. Okay. But let me see if you are going to get the retargeting, humanoid retargeting, so I can check the spell avatar to check the spawns that really work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. That's what should be included in your rig file. So the rig file will go to here. Sorry. This is the 9Cg rig file, right? Spawn 1, 2, 4, 3, and 5 is not needed. 1, 2, 4. So let's see the head. What happens on the head? Head for the head is no head here. The leg is okay. No head. What did I say? Head. That's a big issue. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Head. Animation head. Let's assume this. It's okay. We do not need the 3 hierarchy. Let's assume this. Assume that will work. Go back. Scenes 9Cg. Element chain. Neck. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. Here. Neck. 1, 2. Good. And here, let's see the right arm. Go to hand. Okay. So the left arm will go to hand. Okay. So let's see. Right arm, hand, left arm, hand. Clear. Fingers. Wow. 4 fingers. 4, 4, 4, 3. 4, 4, 3. Good. Here we count fingers. 4, 4, 4. Wow. That's a lot. That's something wrong here. Oh. You have to neglect some finger. Let's see what happens in the Synty character. What's the missing finger on Synty character? Sorry, this one. Let's see what's missing in the Synty character. Hand. What about the hands, fingers, head? Okay, neck, head. Right, neck, head. Left hand. 1, 2, 3. No ring, no little. So we may also do not need the ring and the little in the 9Cg here because it has no retarget targets for these 2 types of fingers. For the head issue, we can now also recheck the 9Cg and to see what happened here. So 9Cg finger, head, neck, 1 head. So okay, let's modify it. Neck forward, neck, head, and neck, 1 head. So good. Fingers 9Cg, we do not need the thumb and ring. Maybe I assume that because the Synty do not have those two types of finger, so ring and the pinky. Okay, the ring and the pinky. You know, I'm not a native English speaker, so I cannot distinguish the names of the fingers. So now we do not need the pinky and what? Let me see. Okay. We do not need the ring and pinky, right? Ring, pinky. Goodbye, ring and pinky. Goodbye, ring and pinky. Good. Now the toes. Why we need toes? The ball. Okay. I assume that's correct in your balls. So the toes. Okay. Why do not connect together with the leg or something? Anyway, weapon. This is a weapon. And this the weapon. Weapon after R. So let's see what happens now. We correctly set up the element chains, and it starts from the root, so it's correct. Because we have a rib component and the root. This is very important. I've mentioned in the tutorial video. Now we'll see the rig file, the rig profile. Let's match them together. Actually, okay, and we see the pose. The initial source pose is different. For the kinemation, it says a T pose. For the Synty, it's a T pose. For the 9Cg, it's the A pose. So the rig file should give the correct pose, or you have to make the 9Cg to a T pose. So let me find if 9Cg has a A pose reference here. So animations, sphere animations. Actually, this is no A pose here. Can we make it a T pose? Maybe I can do that. I'm not sure, but I will try. So here, convert character. Hey, this is in the T pose, right? How can we do that? Pose, enforce T pose, apply. What happened here? No, still not T pose. Is there a way to make it T pose? T pose. Where's the T pose? Hello, let's continue with the T pose issue. I search around the network. It supposed me to go on the Mismo. Anyway, suppose me to go to the Mismo and download a T pose animation here. So let me do that. I am working on that now. So I hate doing this stupid thing. But anyway, let's download T-pose, right? Without skin, we do not need skin at all. FBX by Unity to save our life. Equivalent reduction, no, not needed yet. Okay, needed, okay. Nothing different here, actually. You can just download. And okay, we got a T-pose pure animation, and we will import it here. So now we have a animation here. Let me see what happened. Animation T-pose, good. but no model is rig. I need to select it to humanoid. So humanoid. Good. The avatar configuration is correct, and now it's totally T-pose. So what I have to do now, we'll go to the animator controller, and the idle combat it should not be the default one. We should let it be the T-pose. So T-pose. I hate this, boy. You do not need so many things. Okay. Go. T-pose. So it has a T-pose now. And the record, I'm not sure it will work. I will just test that. I attempting to set the animation as T-pose to make it a default by T-pose, but it's not necessary at all. The key point is you have to set as here. I do not know, but let we start by. I also need to try sometime, because what should I say? I also have not touched that for a long time. Anyway, what I want to say is you have to insert the 9Cg character here to be T-pose by default. By default, it will appear visually T-pose, just as the two characters. But I do not know how to do that now. I do not know how to do that now. I assume if I place it here, all will go correctly, but I'm not sure at all. The best try is to make it T-pose by default. There any A pose? Okay, how could I make a T pose? Can I make a script by ChatGPT to set it as T pose? Good. Reset to T pose. Good. What? Sorry, I translated to Chinese because I am Chinese. Press animation and download T pose. After layer, right click on T pose and set default. Yes. Okay. What set want to restore peoples and download T-pose on the full body layer like base of the character. That's important. Right click on the T-pose clip. Right click on the T-pose clip and set as layer default set clearly after T-pose is restored. So how can I make it restored? Drag is done to function to timeline window. We create step one and add animation track. Okay, after creating an animation track, even without adding any animation, time restore default phase of the with T-pose is our case. So that's a hack. Copy paste pose. Oh, I like this. Can I use this script? No, this is not cool. Let me ask ChatGPT to help I do that. Force T-pose. Oh, okay, force T-pose. This is much cooler. Animator human description reverse. Use the reverse. Okay. I believe this will work by default, but let me lock down. Import T-pose, T-pose, force T-pose. Result undo. So this is undo. So that's a lot of scripts. Can we go to the latest one? That's anything that will help. Okay, this one is a lifesaver. Okay, I try this. Maybe it's a lifesaver for me too. So, first T-pose, right? Cool. First T-pose. showing exposure edit with notepad, so it can be my left here. Copy and now paste. Okay, good. What's the? Oh my God. I will reply later. Post post now any good. Compile no compilation. It should be here. So let me try it. Import post. Cool. Import post. Cool. It's the do not need the translation. Cool. I believe it will work more correctly now. I'm not sure for the weapon, so neglect that. Save and let's do the retargeting here. We have already checked the rig profile, check the rig file, and we have insert the rig components on the root, both on the root. So I may expect it will work, but generally it will not because I'm not so lucky. I'm always not so lucky. A humanoid retargeting. Why not we start from the animations basic retarget pro to see what happens here. Source, target, profile. So the profile, what the profile here? The scene, this one, right? This one. Good. Animation, we select attack animation. Attack 01. Let's do what happened here. Uh-oh. Oh my God. Not that work. So what happened here? Root, apply root. Actually, that's not important. Let me check it clear more clearly translation. Why not first the spine first? Actually, I see the spine is not that correct. It had 2, but this has 5. I do not know, but do you mind? If we do not use that, we see. You see, the arm is correct here. The arm is correct here. The weapon is not correct. I believe this part is because due to the wrong configuration. In 9Cg character, it has 5 layers of spine, so the IK will not work correctly. But the weapon should also be the same rotation here. So how can we align with that? It's easy. I will tell you how to get that correctly. So 0, go to the 0 part, and let's move it together. Generally, it's okay, and we rotate the weapon to make it visually aligned. Even the rotation, even the that's look cool, right? Cool now. Should align. I know it's not an easy job, but it will look good, better, much better now. Good. So we can start now. Stop. Play. Good. You see what? The weapon is correct now. But the spine, the hand is also correct. But due to the fact the leg is not right, because the leg, let me see what happened. Translational? No, we do not need translational. Scale Scale not needed. IK weight not needed. Why not give a cracked spine? Hey man, that costs a lot. But spine look okay. That's really confusing me. Spine translational? No. I'm debugging the leg issue because the hands and the spine syncs correctly. So the leg should have a check. The social leg is thigh, calf, foot, and the target leg is okay. Yeah, not a foot. I need an ankle here. Ankle here. So what can we do? Let's start another time. The right leg is correct. Good, right? Right leg, good. So we can do the same thing for the left leg. Left leg, okay, we do not need this. We do not need this. Foot left, okay. And the target chain, leg, good. So let's try it again. Do 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 da. Do 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 da. Okay. I'm genius. Do you like me? Leave a 5-star comment in the asset store if you feel the support is helpful. For the weapon parts is really a issue, but you can add an offset. Let me see how to add that. We can draft the weapon by translational weight. Good. Okay. That's a lot because we need a translational weight. The weapon in 9Cg generally has a translational weight, but we have to add some offset. Don't sure. Good, good, good. Do you like this? This is good, right? Almost perfect. Some rotation, I'm not sure it will work on rotation, but let me go back to see if any issue. No, we do not like this. So the weapon is not perfect. Currently, I do not have too many ideas to how to fix the weapon, but we can. I mean, let's see. Oh, okay. There is no translational weight. The weapon always some issue. IK target. Okay, what can I do now? Copying going features. Actually, I do not know too much about this. But let me try, okay? Basic retarget view. Weapon. Go. What's the issue here? Source chain is empty. Target chain not empty no. So good? Not that good. Translational weight not work at all. The weapon is already an issue, especially for this spear. It's too long. You need to find some way to make the weapon correctly. Actually, they have different size. Let me try again. Aligns together. Good. the same height, why it's caused the difference? There must be something that I can do to make it work correctly. The weapon, good, your hand is here. Oh, let me see how's the weapon location under the hand. So I need to adjust it in the word space. Good, good. That's a little manifest, but it will not ensure it will work correctly after testing. Good now. No, that actually has some translational weight. Yeah. Is it okay good? I believe this should not be my issue. Should ask Retarget Pro who ask animation how to make this work correctly. I have no experience in this. For my character, as a user shield and sword, and they worked perfectly with this approach. And so anyway, neglect this. We can try to expose that. So we can check now. This is Retarget Pro's retargeting. So let's try it to see if it can give a correct generic animation. So it has already baked, maybe. So where is it? Retarget animation. This one? No. Good. Can it bake that? Become where? Wow. Wow. Where is it? Why I not see that? Retargeted animations. So here. Do. It's a generic animation. So it does not work with humanoid. So auto. No. What can I do now? Make a configuration. Actually, hello. Welcome back. So I have tested. I cannot solve the weapon offset for the retargeting because they're not related with the humanoid animation. As related with animation Retarget Pro, you can ask the problem on his Discord so that he can help you fix this. I have no experience in doing that. What I can do is in humanoid retargeting, I can export a humanoid animation, also include the weapon animation in the exported human animation. So it can export the weapon animation, exported the humanoid animation, but it cannot solve how to retarget the weapon and the humanoid animation. So what can I do in this video is show you how to correctly set up and the retarget profile, how to make the retargeting work on the humanoid. Okay. And now we have already verified our setup in the Retarget Pro window. Now we can try to export it to a humanoid animation. We have just exported a generic animation, but it will not work with humanoid. So the exported generic animation is here, and it needs if you want to visualize that, you need a generic avatar. So this avatar, I have to do that in here, no, in here. So this avatar is a have a generic rig. So you can view this animation here. Let me see the retarget animation here, and if you use a humanoid, no, sorry, Unity model, that's a humanoid model. It will works wrong because it's a humanoid avatar, but you need a generic avatar, so this model will fit. You know that it has not a weapon in his hand, and it has wrong root motion, or as well as the rotation. But it will get solved with the humanoid baker because it's specially made for some setting for 9Cg. So in the window animation, retarget humanoid animation, and you can assign the baker, assign the field in the baker, the source character, 9Cg splitter, that's your model, the target character, the Synty character here, right. The retarget profile we have correctly set up here. And we can copy the clip settings to go on all the toggles, not the keyframe all. So you for 9Cg, you should toggle this on. This is very important because when in preview, it seems that it do not have a root motion, but when exported, you will get a root motion. So let me prove that. I will delete the retarget humanoid animation. Okay, and I will get you all the animation here, all the sphere animation, humanoid, and T animation clip. So you got in the humanoid. So all of this, we can enable the batch mode, drag them all in, and there are 7 animations. So let's do that. Retarget 7 animations. Do. Now you will get that here. Okay, let me see what happened. And the idle animation. Good enough. Okay, the idle combat animation. Good. The combo attack 0-1. Correct loose motion. Correct humanoid animation. Not so correct weapon animation, but it's expected because it's a retargeting issue, not a exporting issue. And this is the 02. Let's see. 02. Yes. 03. 04. And oh, good now. Hey, leave me a 5-star if you think that really help you. So we can fix that. So let me summarize the key points. First, you have to attack the K-rig component on the root of your character, not the one with the animator, but the one with the name root, and refresh the hierarchy and save your prefab. And then you have to ensure your rig file works correctly. What do I mean correctly? You should give the correct element strength. That's a setup the correspondency to the avatar. So for example, this rig file is for the 9Cg sphere. So you can see as the sphere avatar and configure the avatar, and you should ensure you have some element chain set up as here. I believe in CPU has to can make a script to I believe animation can make a script to automatically create the configuration file here in create a rig file here based on the avatar. But I do not know why he didn't do that. But it's my recommendation that you have to set up your element chains in the rig file based on the avatar. And when you set up there correctly, ensure you have to go on the correct one here. That's very important. And then you should make them both typos. Starting with the samples, starting with the expected stem and weapon position, visually the same weapon position, weapon rotation, word space, and attach them in the expected hierarchy. And then it should be work when you test with the Kinematic Retarget Pro. You can verify it first in here. And for some animation, you need to ensure the root for the weapon part to ensure you have dragged the translation weight if the weapon has some translation. So that's it, and you can export it here. Export it with the Retarget Pro to get a generic animation, or retarget here with my humanoid baker to export humanoid animations, and that should work as expected. So that's all, and I will send this project to the user. I did this freely for him. He's a lucky guy. But for anybody needs some actual real technical setup here, I will not do that for free. But you can check this video to follow that one by one step by one step to solve your issue. And if you can accept paid work, you can contact me through Discord, and I will see if I have some time to help you in detail. But the key points is already summarized in this video, so please follow this and do that. Thank you all. Leave a 5-star comment if that really helps you. If you want this rig file for the Synty file, anyway, contact me, please. Okay.